3M Outdoor Masking Polytape 5903 is designed for construction, remodeling, or any maintenance job. The heavy-duty polyethylene film and synthetic rubber adhesive allows for immediate adhesion. It stays on until the job is done. 3M Outdoor Masking Polytape 5903 is designed for clean removal from most opaque surfaces up to 30 days, even after the outdoor weathering and UV exposure. It is also hand tearable, which allows for faster application to any surface you need. Its red color helps visibility so the tape isn't accidentally left on, as well as it being transparent for easy readability. Our standard roll length is 60 yards and the standard width is 1.88 inches. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the 3M Outdoor Masking Polytape 5903. For additional information on this or any other product, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tbpconverting.com. From all of us at TBP Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.